What's we breaking Android here? So, on 25th September, Huawei launched the brand new version of the Huawei Mate 60 series called as the Huawei Mate 60 RS edition. Well, this new ultra-premium flagship phone brings top-of-the-line hardware and design, and it actually looks quite different than the regular Mate 60 Pro. And guys, I'm genuinely speaking, before the launch of this new flagship, I was like, there is nothing important in this phone. Like, it has almost similar specs with the regular Mate 60 Pro except the cameras, and at the same time, I was thinking there are less fans of this new flagship phone as compared to the regular version. But it seems I was totally wrong, as this phone is doing an absolutely amazing job in the Chinese market. Because within 24 hours of the launch, the Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate design has been reserved by 1.3 million people on the official Huawei online store, which is a huge number. While talking about the whole reservations, Huawei began appointing the device on September 25 at 6 p.m. in China, and the reservations ended on September 27 at 10 p.m. The open sale of this new phone is scheduled for the September 28. As of today, Huawei V Mall is showing that over 1.3 million customers have reserved one unit of the Huawei Mate 60 RS Ultimate design. However, the numbers are still growing day by day. And the second thing to consider is that the camera of this phone is way better than the regular Mate 60 Pro. And you know what? A well-known blogger did a moon photography comparison between the Huawei Mate 60 RS versus the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we know Huawei's algorithm is way better than iPhone's when it comes to the moon photography. And the same thing happened. Look at that. One picture is from the Huawei Mate 60 RS edition and the other one is from the iPhone 15 Pro Max camera. There is a huge difference in the clarity. The regular Mate 60 Pro also captures pretty amazing moon shots, but this new phone definitely worth higher price because of the new cameras and amazing design. So yeah, what do you think about it? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.